You don't need an expensive gym membership, fancy machines, or even a single piece of equipment to completely transform your body. In fact, some of the most effective workouts rely on nothing more than your own body weight. If your goal is to burn stubborn fat, build lean muscle, improve your endurance, and feel stronger every day, you're in the right place. The 5 exercises in this video have helped millions of people improve their fitness because they work multiple muscle groups at once while keeping your heart rate high. The best part is that you can perform them anywhere, at home, in your backyard, at the park, or even while traveling. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? I'd love to know which country you're joining us from. Let's get started. Number 1. Burpees. If there were one exercise that challenged almost every muscle in your body, it would be the burpee. This single movement combines strength training, cardio, balance, and endurance into one powerful exercise. Start by standing upright. Lower yourself into a squat. Place your hands on the floor, kick your feet back into a plank position, perform a push-up if you can, jump your feet back underneath your body, then explode upward into a powerful jump with your arms reaching overhead. It sounds simple, but after just a few repetitions, you'll understand why burpees are considered one of the toughest bodyweight exercises ever created. They strengthen your chest, shoulders, arms, core, glutes, and legs while dramatically increasing your heart rate. If you're a beginner, start with 5 to 10 repetitions and focus on maintaining good form. As your fitness improves, increase your reps or perform them for 30 to 60 seconds. Burpees are an incredible calorie-burning exercise that can help improve stamina, athletic performance, and overall fitness faster than many traditional workouts. Number 2. Squats. Squats are one of the most important exercises you can include in any fitness routine. They primarily strengthen your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, calves, and core while improving balance, flexibility, and mobility. Stand with your feet about shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest lifted and your back straight. Push your hips backward as though you're sitting into an invisible chair, lowering yourself until your thighs are nearly parallel to the floor. Then press through your heels to stand back up. Avoid allowing your knees to collapse inward and keep your weight balanced through your feet throughout the movement. If regular squats become too easy, challenge yourself with jump squats or pulse squats to increase intensity. Consistent squatting strengthens your lower body, improves posture, supports healthier joints, and makes everyday activities like climbing stairs or lifting objects much easier. Number 3. Mountain climbers. Don't let the name fool you. You don't need a mountain to perform this exercise, but your body will definitely feel like it's climbing one. Begin in a high plank position with your hands directly beneath your shoulders. Keep your core tight and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Now rapidly drive one knee toward your chest, then switch legs as quickly as possible, creating a running motion while maintaining a stable upper body. Mountain climbers combine cardiovascular exercise with core strengthening, making them one of the best full-body movements you can perform without equipment. This exercise strengthens your shoulders, arms, abdominal muscles, hips, and legs while significantly increasing calorie burn. Perform mountain climbers continuously for 30 to 60 seconds. As your endurance improves, increase your speed while maintaining proper form. Number 4. Push-ups. Push-ups have remained one of the world's most effective bodyweight exercises for decades because they simply work. Begin in a high plank with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Tighten your core, keep your body straight, and slowly lower your chest toward the floor by bending your elbows. Once your chest is close to the ground, push yourself back to the starting position. Push-ups primarily build your chest, shoulders, and triceps, but they also strengthen your core, lower back, and stabilizing muscles. If regular push-ups feel too difficult, perform them from your knees or against a sturdy wall until your strength improves. Once standard push-ups become easy, challenge yourself with diamond push-ups, decline push-ups, or explosive clap push-ups. Adding just a few sets of push-ups to your routine several times each week can noticeably improve upper body strength, muscular endurance, posture, and overall athletic performance. Number 5. Jumping jacks. Never underestimate this classic exercise. Jumping jacks may look simple, but they're one of the fastest ways to increase your heart rate and warm up your entire body. Stand with your feet together and your arms resting at your sides. Jump your feet apart while simultaneously raising your arms overhead. Then quickly return to the starting position and repeat continuously. This movement activates your shoulders, arms, legs, calves, glutes, and core while improving coordination, circulation, and cardiovascular fitness. It's also an excellent way to prepare your muscles before strength training or to finish your workout with a burst of calorie-burning cardio. Aim for 30 to 60 seconds without stopping. As your conditioning improves, increase the duration or perform multiple rounds. These 5 exercises may appear simple, but when performed consistently, they can completely transform your fitness. You don't need expensive equipment or complicated workout plans. What matters most is showing up consistently, maintaining proper form, and gradually challenging yourself as you become stronger. Start with 2 or 3 rounds of these exercises, rest briefly between each movement, and repeat this workout 3 to 5 times per week. Over time, you'll build strength, burn fat, improve endurance, and feel healthier than ever. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to get fit without going to the gym. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.